This video covers how to create an in-app message in the CleverTap platform. An in-app message reaches users while they are in your app. In-app messages are a powerful tool in increasing user engagement. Engaging your customers while they are using your app can add a sense of excitement and fun, drawing your customers to open your app more often to see what's new. For example, a cupcake shop just launched their new app. Loyal customers can now order cupcakes from their phones. To drive app downloads and reward customers for their first app purchase, an in-app message is displayed at App Open, providing a promo code for 20% off. To have the promo code pop up when a user opens the app, we need to create an in-app message campaign. Let's get started. To create the in-app message campaign, click on Campaigns in the main navigation. Click on Plus Campaign. Select Mobile In-App under Mobile Channels from the Channel Selection page. Since this is a one-week-long promotion, select Now for campaign start date and time, and select the date you want the campaign to end. In this case, select 1 week from today. Also, set how often you want this in-app message to pop up for your customers. Select once per session so that the user gets this message every time they open the app during the promotion week, and only show the message if they have not yet made a purchase. Click Continue. Now we want to select who the campaign is going to. In this case, we want the promo code to pop up when a customer opens the app as long as they have not already made a purchase. Click on Create an Ad Hoc segment, and then make the segment as soon as a user does, and select App Launched. And then to limit this promotion to users who have not used the promo code, click Filter on Past Behavior and Common Properties, and filter by users who did not do Payment Offer Applied. Click Continue. Finally, you can go to the next step that involves setting up the in-app message content. Select Single Message and make sure that you select all the device types. Select the template you want to use. There are pre-made templates to choose from. If one of these templates does not work for you, you can create your own HTML template. For this campaign, we are going to create an interstitial template. You can either upload your own image or you can create your image using our builder. In the template, we can now start to build the in-app message. Type the title into the text box. Type in your message. Change the button text and choose whether you want the button to close the notification or open a URL. For this campaign, change the button text to Close and making the action Close Notification. You can also change your background color here. Choose an image under Foreground Media. Since the button is already closed, uncheck Include Close button. Click Continue. Change the Time to Live settings. This is the amount of time this message will be live in your app. Since we want this campaign to run for 1 week, make this 7 days. Click Continue to get to the Overview page. View the campaign summary and then click the Schedule Notification button. This is how you create an in-app message. After the campaign finishes running, you can view the analytics to see how the campaign performed. When you go back to Campaigns, you can see all the campaigns you have created. Click on the campaign that you want to review performance. On this screen, there is an overview of the campaign, as well as the overall stats showing how many customers qualified for the in-app message campaign, and it will also show how many people clicked on the campaign once it is up and running. That's it for the demo. For additional information, please contact sales@clevertap.com.